Hi, Algebra 1. This is from the second semester workbook. If you need to get the book, please go over to Bare Necessities and pick up the CP Algebra 2 Semester 2 workbook. I believe it has a purplish color cover on it. Costs $5. If money's a problem, please see your counselor right away and they will give you a coupon so you can get the book for free. But please get the book. So these are exponents on page 1 of your new notebook. So an exponent is when I'm raising either a number or a variable. A variable is a letter to a number. Okay, so when we have this basically means 1, 2, first two, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and multiplying all together. So you count them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this actually comes out to x to the 7th power. You add them up. When you have power to power, this means you have x squared times itself this many times, which then in turn means this. And you can count them up and say, oh, this is x to the 6th power. Okay, so a few things. When they're like bases and you're multiplying them, you would add the exponents. And then when you have a power to a power, so an exponent on top of an exponent, you multiply them. So you see here, 2 plus 5 is 7. That's where that 7 comes from. 2 times 3 is 6. That's where the 6 comes from. So the properties are basically like bases, add exponents, and then you power to a power, you multiply exponents. And EXP will mean exponents, just not written down. Okay, so let's take a look at some examples. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply my base numbers together. So 6 times -4 is -24. And then remember, like bases, I'm going to add those exponents together. So x, and then 2 plus 3 is x plus 5, or x to the 5th. There's our answer. The next problem looks like we need to do it in some parts. So -2 raised to the 2nd. So -2 times -2, being it's in parentheses, it's going to give me 4. And I get x squared, y to the 3rd, z to the 3rd. And then I also have 3x to the 3rd, y to the 4th, and z. And these are being multiplied together. Let's multiply our base numbers together. 4 times 3 is 12. And look at x to the 2nd, x to the 3rd. Add the exponents. That's x to the 5th. X to the 3rd, x to the 4th. Add the exponents. Y to the 7th. Z to the 3rd and z to the 1st is z to the 4th. And there's our answer. Okay, power to a power here, multiply the exponent, so this becomes p to the 10th power. And then on this one, we have to realize I need to distribute this all in, so I get 2 to the 3rd, x to the 2nd, raised to the 3rd, y to the 3rd to the 3rd. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 to the 3rd. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. X to the 2nd to the 3rd, multiply the exponents, that's x to the 6th. Y to the 3rd to the 3rd, multiply the exponents, y to the 9th. Okay, what we want you to do is I want you to take a look at pages 3 and 4, and you'll notice there's nothing on 4. 4 is blank. But I want to give you the opportunity to work on page 3 and 4 and do 1 through 22 all. Okay, 1 through 22 all. You have the rest of the period to work on it. Talk to me if you need any extra help. If you missed the test from Tuesday, please make sure you come in during an off period and you can finish it up or make it up the test. Okay, I'd like it done by Friday. Unfortunately, I will not be at school on Friday. I will have a video made for you. Mr. Mimak, who is a former teacher here at Cherry Creek, is a very good friend of mine. He's a wonderful individual, so please treat him with Lots of respect, real nice guy, and he knows that only one person at a time can go to the bathroom, so please don't abuse the privileges, and please don't get your name listed as somebody who is misbehaving, because that will get a dean referral, and I don't want to have anyone have to go to the dean because they misbehaved in class. Other than that, I hope you have a great day. Take care of one another.